Tell them last time, didn't you? I'm not just saying it to say it.
Okay, you knocked it off. You knocked it off here.